Do you think online business is something that's way out of your reach? Well, what if I told you that online business is actually as easy as this dot-to-dot book? I think I can manage that. So can you. That's how easy it is to make money online nowadays. So click on the link above or below this video, share with me your contact details, and I'll share with you the same videos that basically explain how simple it is to make an income from an online business just by connecting the dots, connecting people to the products, the services that they desire. I mean, all the information is out there on the internet, but it's seriously fragmented. And it's all in different places and different learnings and teachings. But the solution I want to offer you, it's all under one roof. It's just one book that you need, one company who offers this amazing service to help get you educated, to get you set up, to explain everything that you need to know about online business. And it's all under one roof. Follow the instructions from 1 to 30, and then you can start making an income from an online business. It truly is as easy as a dot to dot. The point is, you're connecting a customer with what they desire. And each time you do that connection, you will be earning anywhere from $1 to $100, maybe even $1,000. It really depends on what you're promoting and what you're connecting people to. High ticket services or just simple products on Amazon. So if you want a guide that's as easy as this to connect the dots, that'll help you connect the dots in your online business, then click on the link above or below this video, and I'll send you the free videos that also spark my interest to show me how easy it is to make some money online. The reason for me to get involved in dot to dots is not just because I enjoy being a kid, but also because I wanted to try something different in life. Something that brings value to other people, so to the customers, essentially. And with a traditional job, you're really stuck in maybe one item to keep pushing to a customer. But online, you've got everybody out there. You've got millions, billions of people all searching for something. And if I can be of help and of service to them, to get them to their product or service that they really desire that little bit quicker, then I think that's a fantastic thing to do. So that's why I started my online enterprise, my connection commissions. I think it really adds value and it's being really helpful. If you want to figure out how to make money from an online business like this, as simple as this, then click on the link above or below this video here, and then I won't send you the free dot to dot, but I'll send you some free videos that will show you exactly how you can make money from an online business just by doing a dot to dot, this connection commission, as I like to call it.